How to change the language in Yahoo Mail. So if you want to change the language in Yahoo Mail, then first you just need to open up your Yahoo Mail application, or you can go with your browser. So I'll be here with my browser, search for yahoomail.com or mail.yahoo.com, and it will take you to the website, and you need to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now to change the language, what you need to do is you just need to go for the upper right, which has your profile, and you need to go for the account info option. So to change the language, you need to go for the settings, which is here on the upper right. Click on the settings and go for more settings. Under more settings, here you will have an option of help. Click on help, and under help, you need to go for the search and search for change language. Once you search for change language, here on the first, you will have change your language or location preferences in Yahoo. Click on the first help, and once you click on it, you will have this kind of interface where it will give you the guidance on how you can change your language. So you can simply choose these guidelines, or you can simply go for the first option, which is access your account info page. Click on that option, and it will take you to the account info page. So you can simply sign into your account again, and you will have this kind of account info. So once you're on the account info page, now if you scroll down here on the bottom left, you will have update language option. Simply click on update language. Once you click on update language, you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for preferred language, and you can choose any language that you are comfortable with. Once you've chosen the language, you need to go for save updates, and your language will be changed. So that's how you can change the language in your Yahoo Mail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.